In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix HDMI no signal on your PS5. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, this usually will happen for one of these three reasons. Either the wrong HDMI input or a bad cable, either your PS5 resolution doesn't match the TV, or there's some sort of problem with the HDMI port. Here's how you could fix all of those, and let's start with fixing the basics. Go ahead and use your remote and just switch to the exact HDMI input that your PS5 is plugged into. For example, like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, you get the point. Just wait a few seconds on each input and turn off both your PS5 and your TV and unplug the HDMI cable from both ends. Wait about 10 seconds and plug it back in firmly. If possible, also try a different high-speed HDMI cable and try a different HDMI port. And of course, also test your PS5 on another TV or monitor if you can. If it works on another screen, the issue is likely your TV, and we'll get to that. But if you still see no signal, your PS5 resolution may not match your TV. To fully reset it, go ahead and turn your PlayStation 5 completely off and press and hold down on the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. Then connect a controller with a USB cable. Hit the PlayStation button on the controller, and you're now going to be launched into safe mode for your PlayStation, which of course, you can't really demonstrate because I'm screen recording right now. But essentially, just select change video output and change the resolution. Hit OK, and it's going to start in a lower resolution. Whenever it comes back on, choose automatic or hit 1080p, which is a safe option for most TVs. If you're still having problems though, go back into safe mode and select change video output and change the HDCP mode to 1.4 instead of automatic. This will help with certain TVs and capture cards, but if none of these work, there could be a physical issue with the HDMI port on your TV or PlayStation. So just keep that in mind. But that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.